Hi, I'm Quah Ting. Today I will present my analysis of the location planning strategy of Mr. DIY Group Malaysia Sendiri Berhad. This presentation will discuss the company's location selection factors, operational challenge, and recommendation supported by SMA forecasting. Before I start the discussion, let's slightly learn about Mr. DIY first. Mr. DIY was established in 2005 and has grown into one of the largest retail chains in Malaysia. The company operates more than 1,400 stores nationwide and offers a wide range of products including household goods, hardware, electrical products, stationery, toys, and lifestyle items. Its business strategy focuses on providing affordable products through its always low price concept. Before we discuss the company's location selection factors, we need to know why location planning is important to Mr. DIY. In the first place, location planning is an important aspect of operations management because it affects customer accessibility, inventory distribution efficiency, operating costs, business growth, and service quality. For a retail company such as Mr. DIY, selecting suitable location enables customers to access stores conveniently while supporting efficient logistics and sustainable business growth. The location selection strategy of Mr. DIY is influenced by four key factors. These are accessibility, proximity to target markets, infrastructure availability, and cost consideration. These factors help the company improve customer convenience, operational efficiency, and overall business performance. Now, for the first factor, it is accessibility. Mr. DIY strategically places its stores in shopping malls, commercial centers, and residential areas that are easily accessible through major roads and public transportation. This increases customer convenience and encourages more store visits. The second factor is proximity to target markets. By locating stores close to residential communities and urban centers, the company can better serve customer needs and increase sales opportunities. These locations improve market coverage and strengthen brand visibility. The third factor is infrastructure availability. Efficient road networks and logistic facilities help Mr. DIY to replenish inventory quickly and maintain product availability across its stores. The fourth factor is considerations. The company must balance customer accessibility with operating expenses such as rent, utilities, and transportation costs. Effective cost management helps the company maintain its low price strategy while supporting sustainable growth. Despite its success, Mr. DIY faces two major location-related operational challenges. The first challenge is traffic congestion and logistic delays. Many stores are located in urban areas where traffic congestion can delay deliveries and disrupt inventory replenishment. This may lead to stock shortage, reduced sales opportunities, and increased logistic costs. The second challenge is rising rental and operating costs. Strategic locations provide high customer traffic but often involve higher rental expenses and operating costs. These rising costs may reduce profit margins and limit future expansion opportunities. To evaluate business performance, a 3-period simple moving average analysis was conducted using Mr. DIY's quarterly revenue data. The forecast result shows a steady upward trend. The forecasted revenue for the quarter 3 2025 is 1.216 billion ringgit Malaysia. This indicates that customer demand remains strong and that the company is expected to continue growing in the future. Based on the operational challenges, identify 2 recommendations are proposed. First, Mr. DIY should strengthen its distribution network and inventory management system. Since the SMA forecast indicates continued revenue growth and strong customer demand, the company must improve logistic capabilities to prevent delivery delays and inventory shortage. Second, Mr. DIY should adopt a strategic expansion and cost management approach. The positive revenue forecast suggests that future expansion remains viable. Therefore, the company should expand into carefully selected suburban and emerging residential areas with lower rental costs while maintaining customer accessibility. These recommendations are supported by the SMA forecast, which indicates that demand is expected to remain strong in future periods. In conclusion, effective location planning is a key contributor to Mr. DIY's success. The analysis identified accessibility, proximity to target markets, infrastructure availability, and cost consideration as the main factors influencing location selection. The company faced challenges related to logistic delays and rising operating costs. However, the SMA forecast indicates continued revenue growth, supporting the proposed recommendation. Effective location planning remains essential for improving operational efficiency, controlling costs, and ensuring the long-term success of Mr. DIY. That's all my analysis of the location planning strategy of Mr. DIY Group Malaysia Sendiri Berhad. Thank you very much for your attention.